Ay, mo pala na lang ng English mo sa may araan. Ako.
Why?
Kuha ko yun. Yung mga kanina kayo nag-video.
Good day, reader. My name is Ivanel Gimulita, second child of Dr. Gimulita and Ramshi Plaza. I am 12 years old. My birthday is January 18, 2013. I am a current president of SLG Grade 6 Emilia Ginaldo Road and Science Club. The happiest moments in life were during my grade 1 are in St. Benedict. I had my happy times with my best friend Louis Lunch.
Ayan,
During
lumasa.
lunch hours. Next is my grade 3 era in Czech Production Elementary School. I was still shy because I was new to the school. Second,
Tawag ko.
second to last in grade 5, I had an amazing time with the grade 5 monkeys. Last in grade 6, graduated in school before the American passing away. It's sad to, this is my saddest moment. It's sad to know that my time here in school is over. I greatly
Ay, wow, saan? Nada na kayo.
the saddest moment in life is when yung
Hindi ko kasi nalay ko. Hindi, sabihin mo na lang eh. Sabihin mo na lang kung ano yung sad moments.
saddest moment ko in life.
Uy, di ba na?
Hindi, yung saddest moment ko in life is yung namatay yung ibang.